Welcome to Vista Cay Resort by Millennium. My name is Lorraine Fromm and I'm the President of Millennium Management. These past few months have been difficult and uncertain times for us all. As things begin to return to the new normal, we want you to know that your families, friends and colleagues' health and safety is our top priority. In this short video, we will highlight some of our new cleaning, disinfecting and physical distancing protocols.
This is my lovely daughter-in-law and beautiful grandchildren. For the health and safety of my family and all of yours, there are hand sanitizer stations in all public areas, lobby, fitness center and elevators. Our touchless check-in offers a safe way for your party to register and get all the information you need for your stay. We also have our new curbside check-in available. Just call a few minutes prior to your arrival and we'll meet you at the curb with your registration package. All surfaces and floors are sanitized and coated with ceramic titanium dioxide. This coating safely uses light to turn water vapor naturally in the air into hydrogen peroxide. Commercial grade fogging gets into those hard to reach places safely and effectively. Door seals are applied after enhanced cleaning practice for your safety and peace of mind. For our pet-friendly units, all products are animal safe. Our COVID cleaning team is all over the resort, constantly sanitizing and wiping down all of the high-touch areas and surfaces. These include condo building doors, elevators, pool railings, pool chairs and all of the equipment in the fitness room. Dressed in bright green shirts, they are highly visible and solely here for your health, safety and peace of mind. We are pleased to inform you that our pool bar, food and beverage outlet is open and practicing the highest standards of food handling and hygiene.
Thank you for being the best part of what we do and we look forward to seeing you soon at Vista Cay Resort.